Welcome to Sales by Shashank channel. I am Shashank. In today's powerful episode, we are diving deep into the best sales techniques for 2025. The techniques that are working today, right now in India and across the globe, and will continue to win in this evolving sales landscape. This video is for aspiring entrepreneurs, working salespersons, digital marketer, and business owner who wants to increase sales, build trust, and dominate the market in 2025. Let's begin. And remember, I am a sales and marketing executive. What I am going to share today is not theory, it's a practical wisdom from real life sales experience. Chapter 1. The changing face of sales in 2025. The way we sell in 2025 is not the way we sold in 2015 or even in 2020. Today's customers are smarter, faster, more skeptical, and more informed. Gone are the days of just talking, showing product demos, and forcing a close. Now it's about relationship building, personalizations, and value delivery. Technology has changed the game. WhatsApp business, AI chatbots, CRMs, and marketing automation tools have made it easier to reach people but harder to convince them. So let's go deep into the techniques you must master now. Chapter 2. Master the science of personalizations. The first sale technique in 2025 is hyper personalizations. Don't talk to your customer like mass audience. Talk like you know them, because if you don't, your competitor will. Use tools like CRM software, that is Zoho or Freshsales, WhatsApp automations like Interact or Party, email tools like MailChimp or Sendinblue. Ask yourself, what is their income range? Are they price sensitive or value driven? What's their biggest pain point? For example, if you are selling a 50,000 hair purifier, don't say this is the best purifier. Instead, say since your child has asthma and lives in Bangalore with high AQI levels, this purifier will reduce hospital visits by 30%. That's personalizations. Chapter 3. Become a consultant, not a seller. Today, no one likes to be sold, but everyone loves to buy from an expert. Shift your role from salesperson to trusted advisor. For example, if you are in insurance sales, don't just push policies. Understand the family's current financial positions, kids' education plans, and lifestyle expenses. Suggest the right term plan, health insurance, or mutual fund SIPs. Say, based on your current income of 60,000 per month, a 1 crore team plan with a 1,200 per month premium protects your family's future. You are not selling, you are solving. That's what wins sales in 2025. Chapter 4. Use AI tools to pre-qualify and nurture leads. Time is money. Stop wasting hours talking to people who are not even 10% interested. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Pebble Connect, or Instantly AI to pre-qualify leads with quizzes, WhatsApp boards, or landing pages. Here's a sample flow. Instagram ad, clicks to WhatsApp. Both ask basic qualifying questions: budget, location, urgency. Only serious leads get your personal attention. In 2025, the formula is clear. Let AI filter the noise. You focus on the final 20% who matter. That's how top sales closes work. Chapter 5. Build a magnetic personal brand. In 2025, people buy from people, not companies. Whether you are selling insurance, coaching, software, or even real estate, your personal brand builds trust. Use LinkedIn, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Talk about customer success stories, tips and strategies, behind the scenes of your work, mistakes you have made, and lessons learned. I'm a sales and marketing executive, and here's how I closed a 15 lakh deal with just 3 mails and 1 Zoom call. Real, raw, relatable. That's how buyers trust you even before meeting you. Chapter 6. Master storytelling. People forget data, but they remember stories. In every pitch, tell a relatable story. Let's say you are selling a 1.5 lakh solar water heater. Don't throw specifications. Tell a story. For example, Mr. Natraj in Mysore installed the system last year. His power bills dropped 2,300 per month to 800. In 1 year, he saved 18,000. That's impactful. Use the story solution success formula. Story, a relatable customer. Solution, your product. Success, results in numbers. Stories sell, facts only support. Chapter 7. Ask better questions. 2025 sales champions don't talk more, they listen better. Train yourself to ask questions like, what made you consider this product now? What would stop you from making this decision today? What has been your past experience with similar services? This technique is called discovery selling. The more you know, the more powerful your pitch. Less telling, more asking. Chapter 8. Practice value-based selling. Never sell based on features. Always show the value in rupees. For example, you're selling an online course for 15,000. Don't say this course has 20 videos and 3 live classes. Instead, say like, this course helps you double your freelancing income from 25,000 to 50,000 per month. That's 3 lakh extra per year for just a 15,000 investment. That's a value. If you're in real estate, don't say 2 BHK in Whitefield for 78 lakh. Instead, say like, this project has appreciated 18% annually in the past 3 years. In 5 years, your 78 lakh could become 1.1 CR. Show value and create urgency. Chapter 9. Use video to sell, not just talk. 2025 is the video first world. Record short 1-minute personalized videos to explain offers. Use tools like Loom, SendSpark, WhatsApp video message. Instead of sending PDF brochures, send a 60-second video saying, "Hi Rajesh, based on your request for a 3 BHK and an 80 lakh in Bangalore, I have shortlisted project near Kanakpura Road. Let me quickly show you why this is solid investment." Personal video, cold call, plain message. This is how you close deals faster. Create scarcity and FOMO. If people think they have unlimited time, they delay decisions. You must create a real, honest urgency. For example, only 3 seats left for our coaching batch starting next week. This pre-launch price of 9,999 goes up to 14,999 from May 1st. This flat is part of the corner lot inventory, only one left. Make sure it's real, not fake. FOMO. FOMO is nothing but fear of missing out. It's a powerful closes tool. Chapter 11. Never drop prices. Increase the value. Your price is your confidence. If a customer says, too expensive, don't say I will reduce it. Instead, say like, I understand, let me add more value for the same price. Offer bonuses, extra support, flexible EMI plans. Let's say you are selling 1.2 lakh digital marketing course. Bonus it with 1-to-1 membership for 3 months. Freelancing templates. LinkedIn profile optimizations. Same price, more value. Hold your price, respect your effort. Chapter 12. Build a system, not just hustle. You can't rely on random leads anymore. In 2025, top salespeople have systems. Lead generations through content, lead nurturing through email or WhatsApp, demo booking calendar via Calendly, follow-up automations. You can use low-cost tools like Notion for lead tracking, Calendly for bookings, Google Sheets plus WhatsApp API, Google Forms plus Google Ads. Don't hustle blindly, hustle with systems. Chapter 13. Improve your follow-up game. Most sales don't happen in the first call. They happen in the 7th follow-up. Don't say just checking in. Instead say like, here's a quick success story of a client like you. We are running out of this inventory. Wanted to update you first. Still holding your seat for 24 hours as discussed. Should I release it? Keep follow-up helpful, not desperate. Follow-up is equal to fortune. Chapter 14. Leverage referrals and social proof. Nothing beats words of mouth. Ask for referrals actively. After every sale, say, if you found this useful, do you know 2 people whose benefit too? I can give them a quick 10-minute consult. And also collect testimonials, written and video. Even a 30-second WhatsApp testimonial can help close big deals. Trust multiplies when strangers see happy customers. Chapter 15. Keep learning and upgrading skills. Sales is performance sport. You must train every week. Watch top closes on YouTube. Read books like The Psychology of Selling or Sell Like Crazy. Attend webinars. Take mock calls with your team. You must become a better communicator, listener, closer and leader. In 2025, Winners are learners. Conclusion. Final words from a sales and marketing executive. Let me end with this. I am a sales and marketing executive. Every sale I make is not just about profit. It's about understanding the buyer's problem and offering a real solutions that improves their life or business. That mindset has helped me sell. You don't need to shout louder. You need to connect deeper. Sales is a service. Sales is psychology. Sales is trust. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and comment below. I will master sales in 2025. See you in the next episode of Sales by Shashank. Until then, sell smart, stay sharp and never give up till you achieve your dreams. Thank you.